Welcome back to the RC10SC7 build series on the RC wrench bench. We have moved on to bag 4, which is pretty much just installing the rear arms. So we're going to get started with that. And the first part of that is installing the arm mount to the chassis, which indexes right into the chassis just like that. If I remember correctly from some of the criticism of the B7 when it came out was that the arm mounts tended to be fragile, probably in combination with the long arms, some additional leverage being placed on the arm mounts. So I don't know if they have updated that design or changed it for the trucks. Probably have to do just a little bit of research to see if that is indeed the case. If not, probably we'll keep a couple of spare arm mounts and pill sets in the spare parts container. Now, there is a fair amount of thread that is left sticking out of the arm mount, and I'm just curious if that is supposed to be the case or not. I'm just going to look ahead real quick in the instruction manual to see if there is a picture that might show that. It looks like that might be the case. Those are the 8mm screws that came in that bag, so that's got to be the only way for that to go. All right, so those are in there. Oh, I forgot to put in the pill inserts. These are the 0.5 in the upper position. I'll just make sure that those are correct and get those in. And yes, I have those correct. And I am really glad that on the arms that they are including these long set screws for mounting the shocks. That's a pretty common upgrade for folks. I always did that on mine. All right, so it looks like this shock mount set screw is going to go in the center hole in the arm. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And they say to install that until there is 11mm of exposed thread. So I'm just going to grab my cheap digital caliper and do just a quick measurement here. 8, 9, 10, 11. That's pretty close. I might have gone just a bit far. Yeah, I'm just going to back that out just a little bit. Great. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. In the center hole. Until we have 11mm. Oh, once again, I probably went just a little bit too far. There we go. Looks about right. All right, so we've got our rear arms set up and ready for installation.